Where can you delete g?
Recording is on.
Oh. Hello.
Hello. You know this already, and you know this already, so I don't need to pause anywhere where it's not needed.
Yeah.
That's very good. Translate the meaning. I'm just correcting myself, so I'll fix these later on. 这个 nice, 这儿 here nice, 那个 nice, 那儿 nice as well. You have to say after me as well, because I want to hear you say these ones. 这个
这个
那个哦不对啊，这个我对那个
这个
这儿
这儿
这儿那个
那个
那儿。
那儿
Nice. Note how whenever I say 这 or 那 it's like whereas it's 这个 and 这儿 they sound a bit different. Like this one has an I in it.
这个
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 这儿这个这儿
Good.
这个这个这儿
And similarly with you can say 那个 but it's better to say 那个 so it's like an
那个
air. But I can't tell you that it's air because it only works for you. But 那个
那个
yeah 那个
那个 I think of a very racist thing to remember.
Good. That works
Remember
too.
that one.
And that works for everyone. And then and this one was just a straight A. Nar.
Nar.
Very good. It sounds very good. And with all of these, we will add, how do we add the location thing?
Sai.
So be like, I'm here.
Sai char.
Right,
Char.
and then what?
What sai char?
Nice. And be like, Phil or Tim is over there.
Tim sai nar.
These are all fourth tones. Everything is a fourth tone here.
Nar.
Nar. Good. Okay, let's go another one. Just want to practice. Tim Yao. What's that? Tim wants this.
Tim Yao 这个
Tim Yao 这个. Very good. And now we're asking, does Tim want this?
Tim Yao 这个吗?
Very good. You're getting very fast at this. Tim Yao 这个吗?
A question here, because I'm struggling a bit with this in real life when I want to tell a taxi driver where they can drop me off. Like I would say, there is okay.
Okay.
Is it nar, I say, or Zainar? If I point at some place and say, like, here you can drop me off.
I would just say nar 很好.
Nar 很好.
Nar 很好,谢谢.
Nar 很好,谢谢.
Obviously, better ways to say that, but that is completely accurate.
Nar 很好.
Nar 很好.
All right, that's perfect. Nar.
And then bye-bye.
I will not forget to be polite. Thank you for reminding me.
I was joking. How do you say or in Chinese? You already said 谢谢, by the way, so I know that. How do you say or in Chinese? Do you want this or that? This you got wrong. Do you know what the wrong thing was? 这个不对. You know what
it's high. It should be high sure. Right?
Yeah. I can't explain this. It's just a word.
Yeah. Well, don't then.
That's a question. So 你要这个还是那个? Can you say that together with me? 你要这个还是那个?
你要这个还是那个?
Very good. And we're done there. Yeah. Okay, what can no? What I will do here instead is I will say circle the ones that it means. It can mean that, 那个. It can mean well, nah. It can mean like, 那个. Have you started using it like 那个 yet? Like.
I haven't, but I hear it all the time.
Good. Now, Is there a difference between? You didn't think that there was a difference. Gay one. Oh, you don't know. Sorry.
Yeah, but I looked at this once again, and I don't think there's a difference. Or I think you can use them both.
Good. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm not going to explain why, because most of my explanations they're just based on Chinese being easy and not too complicated. It's based on the context. Okay, but now I need to rephrase this question. So gay can mean to give someone. 给我那个, give it to me.
Mm-hmm.
But it can also be used to say, like, as a preposition, for or to.
Okay.
So if you want to, if you already have a verb, say that the verb is can. Okay, you look. But if you give it, you give it to me. And what does this mean?
Look at me. Look for me.
看给我. So you're saying you give me look.
Yeah.
So you basically let. Gay can also be like almost like let. Let. In which case.
So what does that mean? Gay or?
I wanted you to guess it, but it means show me.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Does that
So
make
show for me would be the meaning, or show to me.
Yeah. Actually, I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to say 给我. Okay. 给我看 is much better.
给我看.
给我看. Show me. Show
I
me.
remember this from some video now.
Yeah.
We talked about it.
Okay. And then, but if this is visually, like you show me something in Chinese, in English we can say show me, and you can show me a song, you can show me a film. But in Chinese, if you show me a film, it's 给我看. If you show me a song, what is it then?
给我听.
Thank you. 给我听. Good. And so meanwhile, you have to say, can you show me that, please? No, you can't say please.
可以给我这个。可以给我看这个。
Ma. It's hard. Very common. Yeah. But it's so idiotically simple to just put a ma there.
Yeah, it's too easy.
Yeah. But yeah, you said it, but that was not the part to focus on. You said ni. Let me write that down. Ni. Well, you didn't say ni, but I'll just write that. 你可以给我看那个吗? Look at that. Brilliant sentence. 你可以给我看. Very nice. Okay, moving on. At least one character to make a new word. Do you know this word? 你知道
It's true. It's paper, right?
Yeah. And I don't think you know
How do you say it?
the paper. Yeah. Yeah, it's 纸. Sorry.
纸.
But I will skip that one. And I'll put that in here instead. So you can practice, but not make a word with it. I'll also delete this one. And gay, I think that's useful though. I was hoping.
Yeah, I think I just missed that.
That's fine. That's fine. But it was good that you missed it because it had a lot of useless stuff in it. And then this one should be show.
Okay.
I don't want this. I'm just
show.
writing notes for myself. Yeah, it should be further down.
Sure.
Okay. 那个是我的.
那个是我的.
Oh, did you hear that I said 那个, but it said 这个?
No.
Well, I said 那个 at least.
No.
I'm also going to mark these two because they're not important to this lesson. 这两个是我的.
这两个是我的.
Nice. Now this one is really nice. 哪国人?
Nagoran.
So I'm going to stop here a little bit. And you probably know it. How do you say, where are you from?
Nagoran. Or what do you mean?
Yeah. But if we say like 中国人, we start with the answer. It's always easier. I am Chinese. 怎么说 I am Chinese? 用中文。
说我是中国人。
我是中国人. Nice. So if you want to replace the 中国, if you want to replace something in the sentence with a na, which one should we replace?
中.
Yeah, because Zhong is the one specifying where it is. So we take out that, we put in na, and now it becomes a question. 哪国人? So where am I from?
我是哪国人.
Yeah, should we add a ma here, by the way?
No, because we have the
Thank you. Yeah, now we can read it. 我是哪国人?
我是哪国人.
Good. And now
And
instead
if I only would say 我是哪国, then it would be just like what country?
yeah, which doesn't make any sense.
Okay. No.
But you can say like, if you want to say like, you can be like 这是哪国? Does that make sense?
Yeah, is that like what country is that?
Yeah. What is this country?
No, it's this country.
But then it would be better to say like, 这是哪个国家? Like to write it out instead. 国家 means country. But that's my important now. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm just going to change this to you a little bit. 你是哪国人? Makes sense.
是哪国人.
And now we already know how to answer. But you know that 瑞典人 is not, it doesn't have a go in it. So it doesn't really fall to the same beautiful logic. But still, I ask you.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah, I just noticed because I see a lot of names of countries each day, and there's quite a lot that doesn't have a go.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, it's not your fault. I just thought if there's a special reason, or it just that's how it is.
Maybe Jenan has a good answer. Are you still there, Jenan? Maybe she doesn't. I definitely don't think it does. It's just like if it, like Spain, or like Spain, there's no way to say Spain with a go. So instead it's 西班牙, Spain, 西班牙. And瑞典, then, like there was no way to put it there, so they just didn't. And I just simply don't know. Like you have the US, go. This go doesn't really. This is interesting because May, in this case, it comes from the America, but the go just doesn't come from anything. So that's in this case, they're just adding go because it's a country. So I don't know simply.
Yeah, maybe there's no logic. It's just how it is.
Janan, but it would be interesting. I've never thought about it more than a second. So I'll ask
Sorry,
Janan.
I didn't hear you. What was the question?
Tim? What's the question?
The question was: is there a reason why some countries doesn't have a go in them?
No, really, just very random.
Yeah.
There is no room for that. You just gotta have to remember all the countries' name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I guess it's the same in English.
Yeah, but there was a pattern when we began with Goa.
Yeah.
But then, yeah, they just deviated from that pattern. Yeah. Okay. So in this chapter and lesson, we worked a lot with there, where, which. So nar.
Nar.
Yeah. This is the short way to say it. But if it's a location, what should you add?
Tsai.
Sorry. Like here, you're saying the na, but the only thing indicating that it's a position is this part, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So similarly, I wanted you to add er here as well.
Okay, so nar.
Yeah, good. Very important. Make exercise.
Very. No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Because we'll say this one. Sorry.
Because if I only had that character by itself, it's only now, right?
By itself, it means a lot of different things, actually. But by itself, it just means where, I would say, because you can actually say 你在哪?
你在哪儿?
But in the same way, you can't say 你要哪? You can't say 你要哪 like for do you want which one? Which one do you want? Because they always want the g when we're talking about things. That makes sense.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna have to find my charger for my iPad, but you can talk at the same time. I'm just a little bit off.
That's fine. Okay. Okay, this is important. This is my older brother. Okay, this is interesting. 这个钱是我哥哥的.
Just hold on.
That's fine.
Where the hell is that? Never mind. Sorry. Say it again.
Never mind. Okay.
So you were saying?
I was saying this. So here we have, if we just read this sentence literally, because this sentence is wrong, but it's close, but it's still not accurate. Can you read it? 这个.
Yeah. 这个 and that's 钱, right?
Yeah, money. 是哥哥的.
是哥哥的. Yeah. That is, or this is my brother's money.
Yeah, good. Yeah, this is not my older brother, but here's the money. So in this case, in many cases, the "the" here at the end could just become apostrophe s.
Yeah.
Okay, good. 这天是1月1号. That's easy. Can you say that?
这天是1月1号.
It sounds very good as well. 弟弟是哪国人? There we go.
弟弟是哪国人?
And then you just answer with his Chinese.
他中国人.
是.
他是中国人.
Do you understand? I told you should never use 是 when it's an adjective. But is this an adjective?
No.
Because it's a 人.
Because it's a run.
Yeah. Because it's a 人. 姐姐要 OK 吗?
OK 吗?
OK. 姐姐要这个还是那个?
姐姐要这个还是那个?
So here I think you know the right answer now, but here you thought the 还是 was 还有. You mixed up 还是 and 还有.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So it's or this. This or that. Good. Okay. So hi here, we've gone through it already many times, so this should not be very difficult. Literally could mean still. So let's put that in a sentence that we know already, like I'm still eating. 怎么说?
说我还吃饭.
I 吃饭. Yeah. And we maybe want to say like I'm still doing it.
我在还吃饭.
Good. Good, but not good. But thank you you got the word right. Just flip it wrong.
我还在吃饭.
吃饭.
吃饭.
It's the same order. You see 还在 is here. 还在.
还在.
And it's same 还在 here.
还在.
Okay. 还在吃饭. Let's make another one. What else are you doing? You're still Okay, you're still going.
Sorry, you were saying? I'm still.
You're still 工作. You're still working.
我还在工作.
Nice. Now this could literally mean I'm still at work, or it could mean I am currently working still. We don't know. But it doesn't matter.
Who cares?
It just becomes a weird sentence in this case. An odd one where it can mean two things. It doesn't happen too often. Now be like, are you still working? You have to change two things in that sentence then. Are you still working?
Ni hai zai guangzhou le ma.
Why le?
Because oh no, maybe it's not a le, it's a ma instead.
It's a ma. 你还在工作吗?
你还在工作吗?
Nice. And now I always like to start with the sentence and then ask, and then the question. But now when you make this into a dialogue, you can just start with this one. 你还在工作吗? And you answer, 我还在工作.
还是工作.
还在工作.
吗? 我还在工作. 还在工作.
And this one, 我还有这个. Like I still have.
还有这个.
Yeah, showing this, I have this, and I have this maybe. Okay, yeah, that's good. And it can't be not. Fine, very good. Explain the difference between 在 and 是. Give examples. 在 is more described to location or activity. 我在这儿, for instance. Or an activity like 我在工作. I'm working.
我在工作.
Good. 是 is more used to explain a state of mind. 我很饿. Yeah, so I just want to know here, 是. You can probably give a better explanation now.
Yeah, 我是 or 我是这儿.
Yeah, so that's, yeah, can you say 我是这儿?
我是这儿.
You can't say that. 我是这儿. Because when you ask location, it has to be 在.
So
but I will change this. Maybe I don't think this is too complicated for you. You can say 我是这儿. If you say 的, maybe 工人.
Okay, but the correct way would be to say 我在这儿.
No, this sentence here, it doesn't mean I'm here anymore, but now we're saying 我是这儿. I just want to test you on another thing here. Do you see what I'm doing here? So I am a working person, and then who belongs to what? What's my category?
Here.
Yeah. So I'm a working person here. That's how you would say it.
I work here.
Yeah, so 我是这儿的工人. Yeah, I'm a working person here. I work here. Okay, so, but I wanted you to just, when you said 是, the answer then would just be 是 to be. Used with nouns. Example. 我是中国人. 我是工人. 我是 Tim. Okay? All the other times, when we at a location, we cannot use 是. When we're doing something, we cannot say 是.
Okay.
I feel, but we worked with a 是 before, and I feel like you know that one.
Yeah.
There's another thing with 是 though. It can be like 是, like correct. Like 是, 我是 Tim. Right.
Sure. 我是 Tim.
是我是 Tim. Yes, I'm Tim. None of these 是 can be replaced by the 在. But these are also the only times that 是 can be used. When it means okay or yes, and it means to be, literally like a person or a noun.
Mhm.
Does that make sense? 明白吗?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 明白.
Then you can say 明白了 if you want to.
明白了. 明白了.
Okay. Now, 不可以说这样. This is a very common thing to say, and I'll start saying it like this now. Okay, so from the next lesson, I'll start saying this a lot. 不可以这样说.
不可以这样说.
Yeah, so 这样 is the new word here. We'll make a little exercise with this one. 这样. Okay, so we're saying simply, you can't do it like that. You can't. Yeah. Well, you can skip the do. You can just say no like that. That's fine.
Okay, so 不这样.
I would say
不这
yeah,
样.
不可以
不可以
这样. Yeah,
不可以这样.
nice.
不可以这样.
不可以这样. And now be like, can I say like this? You don't have to say what.
可以这样说.
Come on.
吗?
Yeah. Okay, nice. 可以这样说吗？
可以这样说吗?
不可以这样说, I answer. Okay. So you can say like, can I eat like this? 可以这样吃吗？
可以这样吃吗?
是吗？
可以这样
做吗？
说吗?
可以这样用吗？用 means to use. You remember that?
Yeah.
So like, can I use the
可以
chopsticks?
这样用吗?
Yeah.
可以这样说吗?
So 可以这样说吃？可以这样说吗？可以这样吃吗？可以这样做吗？可以这样用吗？
That's a very useful phrase.
I think it is. And especially me being a teacher telling you what you can and can't do. Okay.
可以这样说吗?
It's pretty much the end here. So why and when do we put a at the end of a sentence or a phrase? Give one example. In the end, to inform that we finished the sentence or show approval. You just got this is good. This means you passed this question.
Oh. Wow.
And this is for your sake, and I've made sure that you're keeping track. That's good. This just means, yes, you're keeping track.
Yeah, no, they're very good to do them. I enjoy them.
You do?
Yeah.
Thank you. And that was actually important for me to hear. Thank you.
And it's the thing I like the most is because it helps me practice my writing opinion on the computer or phone.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And then
I have 1% on my iPad right now, and I can't find my charger.
That's fine. We can stop now. And
yeah, but just if I'm all out of
actually,
batteries, let's just see that as the end.
We're actually done now. I think that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
The rest is just simple sentences. We've gone through the important parts now already.
Yeah.
Good. So this lesson was like 1 hour and 35 minutes. It's a bit longer than we expected, but it's not your fault. It's just me having to adapt. I hope you're okay with.
Yeah. No. Thank you for spending so much time on me. It's very appreciated.
Yeah, I want you to mission accomplished. Yeah. I want you to succeed.
I want that too.
Wonderful. We will succeed if we continue like this. Wonderful. And Jenna, you're still sticking with us. That's very good to hear.
Yeah, I'm still here.
Good. Well, yeah, good to see you, Tim. And by the way, you can do the level mastery now of level 1, and try to if you can record your screen when you do it,
All right, I'll try to do that. Sure.
so I can see how it goes as well, so I can follow.
Yeah. Or I'll make sure I'll upload the notes tomorrow. Then you can just review it anytime you want.
Thank you, Jenna. You're fantastic.
No, not a problem.
Yeah. Thank you very much for that.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for this lesson. It was once again a very good one. So thank you.
Thank you. I'll send you. You have to send feedback though. Bye bye.
Yeah.
All right. Bye.
I
See you
will.
next time.
See you next time. Bye bye.
See you.
See ya.
Bye bye.